ಈಗ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಮೀನು ಈಗ ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಕಪ್ಪು ಅಕ್ಕಿನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2-3 ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆಲ್ಲ ದೂರ
This bird sanctuary is very old and this is situated next to Goodwee Lake. So it's because of the biodiversity and eco diversity which is next to this Goodwee Lake that brings a lot of birds to this particular spot. And as I said, it's just not the local birds which come here, it's the foreign guests which come here. They come here during the season of June to October, that is mainly during the breeding season. And it's purely because of the biodiversity that these people, the foreign guests would like to come down to Goodwee.